talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Are you clean, crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Let's talk. December 1st. We gonna talk about some things first, then we'll jump into the real video. Holiday time. Looking to get some gifts, pockets a little light? Use BMG Money. I know I leave it at the end of the video all the time. If you have no money and you know how to be responsible with it, go use them. If you don't want to borrow no money, there's also purchasing power. There's a link to that in the video description as well. You get trips, you get tires, you get vacations, you get everything, and everything is on there. Toys. Just go in there. You've been there for over a year. They give you a certain amount of money. It comes out of your allotments. Cool. This is a time of year when I'd rather pay a little bit back. It seems a little pricey, but you pay back within a year. All of the interest and everything is added into it. So seems a little more expensive, but it's in there. It's an option. What other option we got? You can always dig into your TSP. Don't do it, because you want to keep your money in your pocket. Let that money grow. Oh yeah. Don't forget the cups. Lady be hooking up some cups Christmas time. Also, t-shirts. Check this one out. This one was made by one of you guys. See, I ain't got no filter today, so I'm gonna turn around. Ooh, look at that there. Oh, yeah, this is how I roll. Truck driver status. That's right. What else? We got the trend there, got that, cross the I, dot the T. Also, Tina, she does t-shirts as well. She does hats as well. For the new carriers that get in there and you ain't got uniforms, right? So you can kind of get a t-shirt because you want to be identified. You don't just walk up to a house. Do it for rural carriers, do it for the CCAs, etc. But what about your pants? Right? So typically, I'm gonna take mine off right now, y'all. Jay gonna be sitting here with no pants on. So typically, once you get your allotment, okay, you get your, all right, y'all can't see me. You get these pants, right? These pants cost you an arm and a leg just to get some pants from your allotment. And the only thing you get is like 3 pants and maybe 3 shirts. They're ridiculous, right? Jay went to Walmart. Bam. Look, Walmart has them. $16. Get yourself a couple pairs. What's the difference? Really no difference. Okay? $16. And not because I'm cheap, but I want to use the money for something else. Did I cover all the bases? This was me sharing some information. It's all about information that you can use that's available to us as postal people. So I covered the loans. I covered don't use TSP. I covered the hats, the shirts, the uniforms. Okay, let's talk. I did a video not too long ago about this clerk in Orlando, Florida. I believe he's in Orlando, and he beat up somebody. We didn't know the whole story, okay? We didn't know the whole story back then. But I do have a video clip, credit to the Fox News or whoever, that's going to give you the remainder of the story. But there's still a piece of this story missing. And just so you're aware, the guy still has his job. They just moved him from one station to another. And he beat the customer up. He just bow. He went straight WWE on him. No, I'm just kidding. But you'll get to see he was going fist to cuff. If you're new to my channel, I did have a video a while ago about this, and you'll get to see and you get to hear him say, his side of the story. And Jay, why don't you have a filter? Because if I had a filter, I wouldn't been able to show you the pants. It was part of this because the filter cut all that stuff out. Yeah. So this is just, an update, and it's just a discussion piece. It is what it is. I don't condone violence. I really don't. I talk a lot of tish, but you can't be beating up customers, man. Somebody probably pushed that man's button. He had a bad day. I don't know, but we get to hear from him. So you guys check out this clip and let me know what you think in the comments section. You got any questions about, Walmart, get the pants from Walmart. Yeah, same color until you can get, your allowance. It doesn't have the stripe on it, but I'm a truck driver. I don't need a stripe. So, yeah, it is what it is. Check out the clip. Let's go.
You heard our story. You fought for our story. I don't believe we would be where we are if you didn't take the time that night.
You saw it here first on Fox. This video shows a postal worker punching a customer. It all happened as they were standing in the lobby of a post office in Orlando. And tonight we've learned that employees pleaded no contest to the battery charge. Thanks for joining us here on the News Edge at 6. I'm John Brown.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Luann Sorrell. Let's get over to Fox 35's Marie Edinger. She is joining us live here in the studio tonight. So, Marie, you also got some new details from police.
Right. That charge and that pleading is not the only info we learned. A public records request came back with body camera video from the officers who responded to the arrest. The USPS worker has declined to interview and ignored my call and text today. But with that body camera video, we're able to hear his side of the story for the first time.
Did you punch or strike anybody?
I don't even remember.
You don't remember what happened after that?
That's what Pedro Camacho wound up telling Orlando police after the incident that led to his conviction for battery.
I'm just react, to defend myself.
Right.
Whatever we did, he went like this. He fell down. I don't know. I don't even remember.
The police report says he'd been arguing with a completely separate customer, but then walked up to 3 other customers who were trying to leave out of a locked door. Police say the surveillance video shows him punching a customer with a closed fist. The responding officer sounded surprised when he first heard that.
He goes right here in my neck. Punched you? Punched me in my neck. Pedro, the guy that punched you in your neck. Punched me in my neck.
The report also says Camacho's momentum from his aggressive forward attack toward Menendez caused him to collide with these two. Taylor and Teresa Miriam.
It's shameful.
I've spent months asking USPS whether Camacho will face any discipline at work for this. The post office told me in a statement today the Postal Service does not publicly discuss personnel matters. Miriam says she never got the apology she asked for either.
I feel like if they are saying that what he did was okay,
You have to hit me in my throat.
and all I asked for was an apology. All I want is for you guys to help Taylor feel safe coming back in. That's it. And they couldn't do that.
Court documents show Camacho will spend the next 3 years on probation after his guilty conviction for 3 counts of battery. He also has to do community service and go to anger management.
I felt relieved. I know Taylor felt relieved. It's behind us. The holidays are coming. We can just have fun.
As part of Camacho's probation, he cannot have any hostile or violent contact with any of the victims in this case. Miriam says she and her daughter do still sometimes see him at the post office.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.